Hey guys, so I wanted to show you these new Overnight Oats mason jar set that I got. So this is a set of 4 jars. They're 16-ounce jars on the bottom, and then it actually has a 4-ounce jar on the top. So these are glass with a silicone plastic kind of cover top. So it's not a metal top. And then it also has this silicone band that goes around the outside, and you can put your spoon right inside it. And it actually comes with these spoons. So I have the perfect size. I don't have like ginormous spoons trying to eat my oatmeal. So I really love this design because not only can I do my oats and mixture in the bottom, but I want to put my crunchies. I love granola. I love nuts and things like that. But if I put them in during the overnight prep, they're going to get a little soggy. And I do like crunch in my oatmeal. So this enables me to kind of measure out. And so I actually have granola and a nut mixture in there right now. And so, you can do different ones. This is a set of 4 jars, super easy. So the bottom is 16 ounces, the top is 4 ounces. So in these, I have a half a cup of the oats, a half a cup of milk, and a half cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, but you can put whatever you want to in it. So this one, I think, has some, I actually put some vanilla extract in here just to add a little more flavor. I also have in the top of it, I have some chopped bananas and a little bit of honey. So again, you can put whatever you want in it. But overall, I love this jar design. The only complaint I have is that it didn't have 6. So I could meal prep kind of for the whole week. But otherwise, these are good for, prepping overnight oats. You could even do salads in here and then put your salad dressing in the top if you wanted to, or if you did crunchies on your salad. But these are great for adults, but you could also do, like for your kids, do different flavors, things like that. So if you're looking for some versatile overnight prep mason jars, definitely check these out because, again, it does come with the extra 4-ounce one on the top.